A circular is not a love letter. It's not a Valentine's card. Let's hear a cause. Show cause why they should not be deregistered and cease to operate as cooperative within 6 months. Please start with the big boys, the ones who speak a lot of English.
We have had unheld competition where people are trying to become creative, others trying to declare dividends that are not reasonable, that are not realistic. Then down the line, you find we have affected the cash flows of our SACCOs.
We are on the right track. If all goes well, you will see money coming in. And you have mentioned about subscription. If you are a member, you subscribe to the institution. That is the money that will make us also use it as an operational cost.
These experiences must now serve as a turning point for reform, discipline, and renewal. To reinforce ongoing reforms at KUSCCO, my ministry recently seconded an acting group managing director to support the board during the critical phase of stabilization and institutional renewal. Over the past 3 years, KUSCCO has refunded approximately 369 million to SACCOs.
Don't threaten if you can't bite, and don't back if you are not taking action. I do think that we have a problem, and that is the reason why I have to say this very early. Anyone in the movement now whose priority is not to revive KUSCCO as a serious problem